Mediator impartiality, what's beyond neutrality? Mediator impartiality, what's beyond neutrality? Impartiality is an important ethical obligation for mediators. It complements neutrality and ensures fairness in the mediation process. This presentation will explore what impartiality means and how it's applied. What impartiality means. What does it mean to be impartial? Mediator impartiality means there is an absence of bias, free from preconceived notions or prejudices about the parties or the issues. It can also be used as a tool to determine if you are happy with your settlement. There is equal treatment from the mediator who provides each party with the same opportunities and respect. There is no favoritism. Mediators do not show any preference for one party over another. And there is an open-minded willingness to consider all perspectives and information. How impartiality is demonstrated. How do mediators show impartiality? Mediators show impartiality through even-handed facilitation by guiding without taking sides. They also give each party equal time and opportunity to speak. They seek information from all relevant sources to help move the mediation forward. And they ensure the process is fair for all involved. Impartiality versus neutrality, the distinction. Are impartiality and neutrality the same? Impartiality is different than neutrality. Neutrality focuses on the mediator's stance, meaning not taking sides. Impartiality focuses on the mediator's actions. Mediators treat all parties equally. While both are similar, they are not the same. The best mediator is the one that is both neutral and impartial during your mediation. We hope you enjoyed learning about the differences between neutrality and impartiality. Please help happy mediation reach more people by liking this video or making a donation and sharing it with other people.